All right, in this work example, we're trying to do one without the benefit of a microphone. A microphone is a nice device that converts sound energy to electrical energy. Let's actually get that going here. Microphone check, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, it says a particle with mass moves in a horizontal straight line through a uniform electric field in a vacuum. The electric field is vertical. Okay. There is a significant gravitational effect on the motion of the particle. Okay. What could be the direction of the electric field and the sign of the charge, if any, on the particle? So as I read through that, it's kind of like, well, gravity would make this thing fall down, right? Like it should be going down, but the fact that it doesn't, that it just goes straight, means there must be another force, right, that's balancing it. My question to you, class, is what is the source of that electric force? Yeah, the electric field, of course. Okay, so the joke goes like this, class. I say, what is the source of that electric force? And you all in unison chant, the electric field. And I say, of course. Okay, that's how it goes. All right, so we can see the direction of the gravitational field pushing that particle down, but it doesn't go down, it stays straight, which means there must be another force acting on it. And what is the source of that electric force? Of course. And so the electric field could be pointing up. And if it were pointing up, then that's the way a proton would move. And so it could be up positive. Is that one of our choices? Nope. So it, if the field were pointing upward, then that's how a proton would move. And so if this thing were positively charged and the field were up, then it would work, but we don't have that as one of the options. So if it were pointing down and it were a negative particle, then that's the same thing, right? Like if this were, some kind of a negatively charged ion or something like that. We know it's not an electron because an electron doesn't have significant gravitational effect. So it's some particle like an oil drop that has a bunch of negative charge on it, right? And so if the sign of this particle were negative and the field were pointing downward, then the force, acting on it would be upward, and that's what we need there. So choice A makes a lot of sense for this one.